Greetings. In this video, we're going to be looking at a fisheye lens and how it affects photos, videos. And I wasn't going to make this video, but I've had some face-to-face conversations with people that weren't aware of this, so I thought I'd make a video about it. And if you hang with me, we're going to get a little help from deGrasse Tyson.
Basically, a fisheye does a negative zoom. So it lets you zoom out even farther at the expense of creating a little bit of a bubble effect. And I'm going to reach out and put the fisheye on the camera. And when I do so, you'll notice that right now you shouldn't be able to see much, if any, of the ceiling in this shot. And when I put the fisheye on, you can probably see much higher up towards the ceiling. And things might be a little out of focus because I don't have a good way to do this, but fisheye on, fisheye off, fisheye on, fisheye off.
It focuses on the subject, making it look larger than life, and shows you the surroundings. Nostalgia mixed with a unique angle makes the fisheye lens a staple for artists and many others.
So by now, most everybody's familiar with the famous Felix Baumgarten Red Bull jump, where the view from outside, they use that wide angle fisheye lens, and you can see what many are calling the curve of the earth. And I have other videos out there where I even have, where news reporters have said, there's the curve of the earth. This jump happened in New Mexico, and for this to be the curve of the earth from outside of the cabin, New Mexico would have to take up 2/3 of the world. And then from inside, where the camera is at eye level, you can see the horizon is flat. And I also think it's interesting that the horizon always rises up to eye level. But let's see what Neil deGrasse Tyson has to say about this.
And that dude who jumped out of a perfectly good balloon, what's his name? Felix Baumgartner. He would have been about 2 millimeters above the surface of this globe. That's his edge of space jump. Now, you know, I don't. It's fine. He wants to. I don't have a problem if he does it, but the honesty of it would greatly diminish what I think people thought he was actually doing. And not only that, they made sure to photograph him standing there with a really wide-angle lens, which curves horizontal lines. Right. So in the photo, you see this curvature of Earth's surface, and he said, "Wow, he's in space. Look at that." No, he's not. At that height, you don't see the curvature of the Earth if you are 2 millimeters above this beach ball. You just don't. That stuff is flat. And then I showed examples of wide-angle lenses curving horizontal. I tweeted that.
You did.
But I don't want to be a spoil. That stuff is flat.
I found another example of a fisheye lens. This is a weather balloon at its launch, and obviously this can't be the curve of the earth. I'm just trying to drive home to the audience the effect of these fisheye lens. I've had many face-to-face conversations, and I'm surprised at how many people don't realize this effect happens. And it's usually about this curve right here that they capture, no matter how high they are, and they always say, hey, this is the curve of the earth. This is the dog cam, and on a weather balloon it goes up to 110,000 feet. And a couple things I want to point out is when the camera is looking straight out, or the horizon is straight out, the horizon always rises up, it always appears level. And an interesting thing is the hot spot from the sun. I don't understand how in the heliocylindrical model there could be a hot spot like this. So let's just watch a little bit of this and check it out. So in conclusion, first of all, thank you for watching, and I hope the audience will just be aware of this fisheye lens. And so the next time you go out to some kind of live Earth or live Earth view or ISS live view, keep this in mind and watch these things with a more critical eye. And I hope this helps. I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, have a great day. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It helps me out so I can continue to make more. Thanks.